Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the dip system removal using the Baggie method. Kathy Thiessen mentioned Peppi Gel's channel to me and I watched their video and I'm going to do that today. I'm using a quart size freezer Ziploc bag, 3 paper towels, a bowl of hot water, well warm water, very warm water, and I'm going to put the paper towels into the Ziploc bag. This is a no-brainer. This is, I'm telling you, it's, I know it looks like a lot of waste, but you'll see. You'll see what goes on here. So I'm going to pour about 1/4 cup of pure acetone. It's pretty much the last of my bottle. So I've got that down in with the paper towel, and I'm going to seal this up real quick. And, well, I'm going to put my hand down in it. I do have my, I only have this overlay on one hand, so I'm going to rub my fingers back and forth over the paper towel, just the nails, you know, just kind of wiggle them around. I did this for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, that's it. And I know this looks really harsh. You can see the white on my skin. I'm going to zip that bag closed, and it is completely gone. Every bit of it. That's just like discoloration on my thumbnail. That's my wonky nail. But it is completely gone. There, no scraping, no nothing. It's all the way gone. Love, love this method. And if you're wearing a manicure like that, okay, and I did wash my hands and stuff. So if you're wearing a manicure like that, you know, one of the dip systems, or I'm going to even try this with gel polish too. If you're only doing your nails like every couple of weeks anyway, I see this as being just easy and good. Way better than using the little clippies. This was just perfect. So now I'm adding some cuticle oil after all of that acetone. I'm going to nourish them with some cuticle oil and some hand lotion and all that good stuff. I'm really impressed. 5 minutes. It takes me longer to take off a regular manicure than that. You know, I mean, seriously, it's, I'm sold. So I'm going to rub that cuticle oil in, let it get down in the nails and all around the cuticles and everything. I'm wicked impressed. So Kathy, thank you for hooking me up with this lead. I really enjoyed the Peppi Gel's channel and their video. I wanted to keep mine rather short because, you know, I just tell you what I did and that's it. But I wanted y'all to see it too. So I am trying to get some of that oil up under those nails too. And to be honest, I don't think this was too bad. Too harsh or nothing. Like I said, normally my regular manicures take longer than that to take off. And now for the saving aspect of this. Next time I'm just going to leave it in the Ziploc bag. I'm just going to zip it up and put it down in a bowl or a jar to where I don't have to worry about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip the corner of my little Ziploc bag and I'm going to pour this remover back into my empty bottle because this bottle was empty. I'm being very careful and I got a bowl under me just in case because I know how messy I can be. So I'm pouring this back into the remover container and I'm going to squeeze the paper towel a little bit and try to get out as much as I can. Recycle this because it wasn't a colored thing and it wasn't nasty, so I'm just gonna reuse it. Here we go. I'm fixing to show y'all what I'm doing next here. Okay, that is all empty and everything's in there, and I'm gonna take a Sharpie and write on here for soak off. Soak off. That way I don't get confused. And I'll use this again next time. Oh, I put my little crazy smiley face on there. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.